Hey guys, it's Mozzy. Thank you for coming back. Today we're going to do another upgrade on this vehicle. It should have came from factory, but it did not. What is it? It's a light sensor that sits right over here. Right now there's a little plastic dud that doesn't work, but there are wires and you can make it functional. How you make it functional? You just got to buy the sensor. I bought one from Amazon, which is half the price from OEM. It's supposed to be really good reviews. So how does it work? It senses the light and it dims the cluster and the infotainment system. Does not turn on and off your headlights automatically. A lot of people think that's what it does. It does not. So all the little lights in front, in the gauge and infotainment system, the climate control, it automatically turns them brighter or turns them down when the sun is out. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. In order for us to dim this, we'll have to be turning on the headlights. When you turn the headlights on, it gets dim. Then we have a little dimmer controller switch right here. Go down, we'll dim it even more and raise it up. So what we want to do is we're going to change this piece out so it can do automatic dimming. Alright, so let's get this installed. You got to take this piece out. I have here just a regular trim tool. Maybe you can get another one on this piece, but let's see if we can just try it with one. That's why you need plastic so you don't scratch it up. And there it goes. Pops up. Get the flat one here. There it goes. Pops up. Now, this wire, don't pull it hard because this is as far as you can get. Zoom in here. A little bit there, yeah. As far as you can go. That's it. No more. So as soon as I let go, the wire goes right back in. Do not drop the wire back in here. So what some people do is they'll put like a piece of plastic or something between the wires. What I like to do, what I read, which I think is a great idea, is you put a zip tie in between the wires, like that. This way, see? This way it holds it in place. It won't drop. So now I can just take it off without worrying about being dropped. So let's take this out. It's hard to do it one-handed. There you go, see? Stays. They just say fake little dud. Nothing inside, no sensor. We're gonna replace it with the actual sensor. Alright? So let's take this out.
If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
See? Pops in like that. Now I'm going to cut the zip tie. I'm going to fold back in place. That's it. Done. Install complete. Now let's see how it works. Alright, so let's see how this works. First things first, you got to have this one click down. Not all the way up, not on, but just one click down. And see, my lights are on. So if I turn it off, my headlights are on. And everything else is still nice and bright. Now if I take my hat and throw it over the sensor, everything just dims down. Take my hat off. Everything pops back up. It's beautiful, beautiful. It dims down and dims up. That's nice. Hey everybody, so I had this light sensor for a couple days now. Let me show you how it works. Of course, it's not going to work with the lights off. The daytime running lights, it will not work with it either. Everything will be just bright. Your parking lights, which are your daytime running lights, and your orange side markers that are all around the car will work. So that will work with it. That means it will automatically sense the light and will either turn it bright or dim it just like it did. And it will also work with your headlights on. If you stayed tuned for this long, I really appreciate it. It's a quick little install. It takes a few minutes. Is it worth it? Some people may say yes, some people would say no. We all think that should came with the car, of course, but it didn't. OEM part is over like $160, somewhere around there. I got it from Amazon. There are cheaper ones for like 20 bucks, but will it work? I don't know. Make sure if you do order it, you get the ones with the 4 pins. That's what I keep reading. I got the ones with the 4 pins on the bottom, and it worked perfectly. So yeah, thank you for watching. And if you like what I do, like and subscribe. That'll be awesome. See you till next time. Take care.